Ever wonder why you should break up certain hands in double bonus? The math is about to reveal everything, and it's more logical than you think. Welcome, I'm Smak, and in this double bonus strategy guide number 9, level 2, we've been playing optimal strategy. But now it's time to understand the mathematical foundations behind every decision. We're going to pay special attention to expected values, probabilities, and payout calculations. When you see how it all works, the strategy becomes crystal clear. We've left off at 35.65 credits, and we are betting max, as that's always the best way to do it. And that is an amazing hand to get on double bonus to start off. Remember, we went 4 aces with a kicker. We did not get a kicker yet, a 2, 3, or 4, so we're just going to hold the 3 aces. We're going to hope for another ace and a 2, 3, or 4. Let's see if we could do it on the very first hand of this session. Oh, so close. Here's our expected value in the pro trainer over here. How this works is this is going to show you how many credits you should get back when you are using it. This is all mathematical. It's a simulation. For example, we are betting 5 credits each time, and this says this will pay on average 63.5 credits back, and we always want the highest one, as that is our best chance for good return. And 2 pair works well too. We're not going to go through and break up the 2s, even though they are a power hand where you can hit a kicker and get a good amount. It's not worth breaking them up. Would have been better with a full house there though. Nice, we got 2 aces, again some aces, which is really nice. Let's go through and see if we can go ahead and hit this. All right, we'll take it. And interesting hand already. Queens versus 3 to a royal. They love to do this to me right off the bat. I still think it's queens because it is currently winning. However, the other does look very nice as well. Let me think about this for a moment, and while I'm doing that, if you could do me a huge favor and smack that like button and leave a comment, I'd really appreciate it. The algorithm has not been friendly to me lately and is showing to less and less people, and I'd like to keep these videos coming, so any help, would really appreciate it. Here, I think we're going to go through and hold the queens. Let's see what happens. I could be wrong. But this case, I'm not. 7.2 versus 6.3. So still a good hold. And you're looking at a big difference if I would have held the other, because 1 EV is a decent amount. 3 3s. Interesting. This is a power hand. I don't think I've hit a power hand with a kicker yet. I think we hit it without, but not with. So can we get a 3 and a 2? Or just 3 3s? At least it's being nice to us today. Maybe I should not say that until we're a little further along. It's still really early. Oh boy. And here we're going to go through and hold Queen King. Nice. Pair of queens here. You can see here, Queen King was the best hold. After that would have been just a king, and then the 3 to the flush. Got some 8s. Let's see if we can go through and connect some more. We cannot. Okay. These aces, they are looking like they want to come, so let's see if they will. Maybe we just got to get it all off the draw? This is this was an error, so I'm assuming it's this. No. Oh. I should have taken a little longer to look at that. 4-2 open-ended. Yeah, definitely want the open-ended there. Brain is in warm-up phase. They're hitting us out the gate here. Here we're going to go through and hold the ace. Aces are very important for this game because of how high they are. I'm sure you've seen the other videos, and if you have, you know aces look good. That 4th one is not the correct ace. King me. I think we're going to be ready for level 3. I'm hoping. So this is an interesting one. We have a pair of 8s, or we have 7, 10, 8. I think we had this last video, oddly enough. So we're just going to hold the 8s. It might not have been the exact same hand, but it was very, very similar. And you can see here, the 8s was 3.6, and the 3 to a straight flush, I think it was diamonds last time, is 2.5. Pair of 4s, let's do it. I have recorded some other videos in between, so it's kind of like still getting refreshed, but I think I still remember all of this. Maybe we'll do level 3 soon. We'll have to see by the end of this video. We'll make that decision. 3, 4, 5 suited versus Queen, King. Now, the lower the 3 suited cards are, usually the lower the chances you'll hold them, from what I've noticed. However, Queen, King is just 2 overs. Was a straight flush play again? 250. Flush is going to be your 30. I think we're going to try it. I think it's pretty close. I think I might be wrong, though. No, I wasn't. 3.0 versus 2.2. Definitely worth holding those 3. I probably shouldn't have thought it that long. Still warming up. Gut shot? No, ace. There we go. Looking decent. Here we're going to do ace only, since ace queen is not suited. If it was, we'd do that. Sixes. Best thing about this game is a pair is strong. With most games, you hold a pair and a lot of times it's going to work out for you. Okay, this time I'm not going to mess it up. You don't have to go over that one. We've done it before. 10s. There's 1. 2s. Okay, 2 pair. Let's see if we can fill this house up. Queens? Alright, 2 pair, we'll take it. 3s. I almost didn't see them. I even got my glasses on today. Sheesh. Oh. It's King Jack, isn't it? Or is it Ace? I don't think it's Ace Jack. Ooh, this is a little tough one. If it was Ace Queen, we would do it. Ace 10 doesn't stretch. Ace Jack usually does not stretch. I think it's King Jack. Oh no. 2.70 versus 2.66. So, you know, I was off, but it's pretty close, I guess. 13 cents out of every $1.25 bet over time. That is a decent amount. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. It's not even... That's even there. Jeez, I didn't even see that. Wow. This is what happens after you get done shoveling snow for days. We're just gonna hold Ace Jack. Mental note on that one. Ace Jack suited, worth it. Oh, now I'm seeing Ace Jack. You can't trick me, 5s. King Queen, it's an easy one. Ace. King Queen. Isn't it King Queen? I think it's King Queen. Are you kidding me? I am slipping. Am I thinking a different game? This is what happens when you try to teach 2 different games at the same time. I just wanted to mix it up a bit, and it's hard to switch back. Especially when I don't like to warm up, because I want everything done that I do so you can see how I'm learning, and I don't want to like do content that's not shown. It might not be what everyone wants, but I feel like it is. Everyone wants to see the full journey. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Hey, we filled up the house. Full house. This looks odd. Nope, definitely even. Jack King. Go. I'm gonna go a little slower just to make sure that I'm not making mistakes. Deuces. Ace only. We need an 8. Let's do it. The aces. Now, if we had another ace, we would hold the kicker, but since it's just 2, we don't. Ace. Just the ace. And I think the ace is going to be over the gut shot. Yep, let's just look at that 2.3 versus 1.7, so big difference. This is an easy one. Flushes are awesome, especially when you get them just like this. Yeah. Gut shot, no. Ace jack suited, sorry. Just like this. See? Just took a few more hands. I think it's Jack King. However, 3 to the flush does look interesting. What is the 3 to the flush? 2.09 versus 2.2. And the Jack is actually higher than the 3 to the flush just by a little bit. Oof, this is a redraw. Fours. Here we go, King, Queen. Very odd hand. See if it stays that way. Would like some more 7s there. Alright, we're starting to run a little rough here. Let's fill up that boat. Nope. Queen. Wow. Ace. Alright, I think I have my wires uncrossed now. 7s. Ugh. Those 7s have been brutal the last few videos. Ace Jack. King Jack? Yes. Just the ace. Now, King Jack over the ace. I'm a little confused on this one because we are taking ace over King Queen. King Queen stronger than King Jack. So the only reason I can see that you wouldn't take this is because you do have some penalty because there's 2 diamonds that you're going to be losing. So your chance for a flush probably goes down a lot. Maybe it's enough to make it where King Jack is it. Interesting. Definitely going to be going deeper in this in the future as we learn more. Jack. See, to me, I would think this, but that's because of the last game I've been playing. It's probably ace. The ultimate X is in my head. It needs to go away for a moment. King? Ugh. I think we're gonna do... Oh, it's the same hand. It's King Jack. Deuces. Interesting, but we have a pair. Very strong. Strong enough? Strong enough. Let's take a look. 4.3 on the pair. 2.9 on the straight flush draw. Oh, wow. Interesting, interesting hand. I'm sorry if you hear my son screaming in the background. He has been off of school because of snow. So 8, 9, 10, jack. I definitely think we're going for it. Usually you don't, but this is open-ended. This isn't like a gut shot. This is open-ended. Pair of jacks, you're getting 5 for sure. But this, you still have the flush draw, you have the straight draw, you have the straight flush draw, plus you could still hit another jack. Let's go this way. Final answer. Oh, that's so unfortunate. On average, we'll win back 17.8. Unfortunately, this time we got 0. So 17.8 versus 7. So huge hold there. Always want to hold that. And I was pretty confident in it. I just was going through it because I didn't want to make mistakes. Let's go with the ace here. Ace again. What? Jack queen on this one. Yeah, I could see that. That was my fault. It's very, very close. But yeah, jack queen would beat the ace. Even though the ace hit and I would have been correct in that instance. Queen 10, does the 6 come along? I don't think so. Yeah, 2.1. 9 versus 2.11. Here we'll definitely go jack queen suited. Awesome. I just want to mention something. When you do play this, managing your sessions is just as important as the game itself. To help you stay in the game longer, I've got a free trip survival toolkit when you join my mailing list. If you're interested, check the link down below. I'd really appreciate it. Here we will go with jack queen. King only. There is a pair, but flush draw is a flush draw. Flush draw is a flush draw. Ooh, this one is pretty close. You got one club that's blocking that. King jack. Let's go with king jack for the heck of it, but I think it's really, 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 really super close. Yeah, look at that. 0 cents. 2.22 versus 2.21. Okay, so in theory, when it's king jack versus ace, if there's 3 to that suit, then you pick the king jack. If there's 2, you pick the ace. So it needs to be 3 clubs altogether to block it. And if either of these were a club, you'd just bring it along. Oh, flush draws are like impossible. We've had so many, we've only hit 1. Okay. Haven't heard that sound that often this session. Oh man. Yeah, ace. Yeah, I'm really excited about my mailing list. I'm gonna have some cool stuff going on. Possibly some other training and guides, and I'll probably have some cool hands go out in email where we can talk about them and stuff like that. I'm really excited for it. I've been building the website. It's just, you know, takes time. That's a gut shot. So's that. Yeah. Wait. Really? 7, 8, 9. The gut shot? The jack? Yeah, the jack would be higher. Jeez. I didn't think that would be... Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. I guess I'm just not thinking straight. Yeah. 3 to a straight flush. You're not going against a pair or 2 overcards. You're going against 1 overcard, which makes it a lot stronger. Aces. Wow. An actual kangaroo straight. They say it because it hops around. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do we keep 3 to the flush? I don't think we do. Yeah, 1.61 versus 1.62. Correct call there. Ace only? Yeah. Oh. I'm thinking we hold the 3 because you have the straight flush draw possibility. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Wow, 2 pair on that. Wasn't expecting that. So ace was 2.25 and the 3 to the flush was, straight flush was 2.57. Definitely the right call there. Ace. Yeah, we know this time it's the straight flush. So it's a replay. 2 3s. King me. There we go. Definitely going down for the session now. Jack Queen. Jack will beat a gut shot. King. I think we could do level 3. Even though this video's been a little bit off, I think it's mainly just because it's been a while since I played the game. And since after today, I think I'll be good. So maybe I'll just do the level 3 in the next few days. Oh, it's still fresh in my head. Maybe we'll try to finish off this series before... Really? Oh, because it's a straight flush draw too. I didn't catch that. Oh. Wow. They really wanted to show me that I was wrong there. Alright, maybe I just need to keep concentrating and stop talking. Fours. As always, I'm just your average guy. Learning video poker. I make mistakes. But we'll learn them together. Oh. King Jack suited will be an ace. Odd hand. Yeah. Wow. A dealt flush. Definitely needed. I don't think there's even thought of talking about breaking it up. If it was 4 to a royal, it'd be different, but this is 3 to a royal. You're looking at 30 solid because it can't win or lose more than 30. And if we broke it up, it was 6.5. So huge mistake to break that up. This is hand 110. 2 9s. Kings. I know, this is a replay. 2 pair. Let's fill up the boat. Nope. Oh. I was happy until the king hit because I wanted to go for the royal. But here you go, 7.2 versus 6.3. So you want to hold the pair to 3 to a royal. When it's a winning pair, that is. If it's not a winning pair, then probably going for the royal. King Jack. Twos. 10 Jack. Usually we don't get to hold this. Almost. Yeah, I know what they say about almost. Oof, this is a mess. Replay. Here we'll go with the pair. 10s look good. Thanks, 8s. Need a little help there. Queens. Alright, one more. We go on a winning streak. RIP winning streak. Oh, maybe. Okay. Be nice to have a little bit more of a heater here. King, queen. Yeah. Oh, wow. That was what we needed right there. That's what we needed. Why didn't we hit that? Oh, man, can you imagine? That would have been such a good hit. I mean, that's why you play this game. You're trying to hit that big hit. If you don't hit that big hit in double-double or triple-double, usually doesn't work well for you. 2 pair, I almost missed it. Make sure you always look up here to see what's blinking, because I almost missed the 3s, but because I looked up here, I noticed it. Oh my gosh, it's aces. Wrong game. You know what? If I wouldn't have looked up there, I would have been correct. So maybe not everything as it seems. Let's go with the aces. Give us some 2s, okay. I forgot that's the one pair you break up. I knew the flush wasn't gonna hit. Doses. 2 pair. Okay. Do king queen here. This is a replay. Also, if you like what you see here and you want to play this, I have the link down below. You can play all this for free. The Pro Trainer is a membership, but you can play just for free over here if you don't want the membership. Completely free. And it's a lot of fun, and they got a lot of different games. Definitely recommend it to practice. Ooh, 4s. Pair. 3, 4, 5, 6. Ace. Queens. This one was King Jack because of the diamonds. Queen. Okay, let's fill up this boat. What is going on? That helped a little. Got some diamonds here, but I think this pair is going to be the choice here. Pair is good. 2 pairs the same. Aces. You still always get excited when you see two pair, even though there's no difference in this game. Unless the first pair was not winning. Ace. We'll do ace again. King me. Nice. Or to a flush. Ace. Okay, 3 sevens again in the same spot they were last time. Very symmetrical. Like it. Let's see if we can increase this. Come on now. Why are you so difficult to get 4 of a kind? Hey, guess what? We filled up our boat. Now we have a full house and a full boat. What comes next? Oh my goodness. What's going on here? What do we do here? This is actually a difficult hand. Wow. Okay. Let's think about this because this is a power hand. So 4 threes and a kicker is 800 credits. 4 threes without a kicker is 400 credits. Currently, we're at 45 credits. So the EV to hold this is 45. Can't go lower, can't go higher. It's exactly 45. A lot of times, if this was aces, we would split this up and trying to go for the other. But I feel like we've changed pay tables since then, and I feel like the 9-6 is stronger. Oh man, this is tough. Well, I'll tell you what, these 3 are being held for sure. The 10s, do we keep them or lose them? I feel like we keep them, but I don't know if it's correct. If those 4s were aces, we definitely would go for it, but that's like, you know, 2.5 times the prize. 2 to 2.5. Oh man. I'm gonna say we hold because I'm playing to play perfectly, and I think that is the better choice. And I think that's what's correct. So that's what I'm gonna do. Am I correct? Let's find out. Ooh, I am correct. 45 EV. Holding a 3-4s, 37.6. Did you get that right? Or would you have went for the 3-4s? That's tough, but overall, that's a big difference, especially over time. So we made the right choice. It's a nice hand to have towards the end. We did this one already. No, ace. Oof. Close. I think that's a redraw. 3s? Oh man, if this 5 was a 3, we would have hit. I will do 5 more hands since we're getting towards the end here. Oh, that is not the same suit. Queens. Oh, wow. This is the 3rd time at least that we got 3 sevens. And we still didn't hit. King, queen, queen, king. Ace over the gut shot. The 10 does not reach. Just in case you're curious, the numbers are here. This is one of those. We won't count that. Queens. And last hand. Ooh. 6, 7, 8 suited or a pair of sixes. I think it's a pair of sixes, but I think it's a little closer than usual. Sixes was 3.6 and then 2.9. Awesome. Well, there we go. We're all set. Let's see what we ended up with all together. As far as this, we would have lost $45 if we were at the casino, and we lost 180 credits. So not a strong session. I did make some mistakes throughout the video. Tried my best though. I will do better in the next one, which I believe is going to be level 3. So we're going to do level 3 next. Also, like I said, if you're interested in playing this or checking out my newsletter, the links are down below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. I'll put it on the screen when it's available.